these pistons, they are marked for an arrow direction. Your connecting rods, depending on if they've been reused or new. If they're used, generally a machine shop will mark them. But make sure when these are coming together, these are free floating. There are what we call Jesus clips in there, and they call them that for a reason. You get one to snap loose, and you're gonna holler a couple of names trying to figure out where it went. So just keep that in mind. Keep it on that clip. Be careful, but it just slides in there. You can do it on both sides. Get some assembly lube, put that together, and that gives you your free floating piston. 5 rings, your 3 oil rings, your upper oil and combustion ring, and your primary combustion ring. Some of them are marked, some of them are not. So these are bi-directional uppers. So just keep that in mind. They are, we did press them in and verify that they are within their tolerance for this application. Because it's been bored just a little bit, the spec was 15 thousandths ring gap, and the lower was 19 thousandths. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes you'll have to grind a little bit, but these are that's your standard 5.3 pistons. So we're going to install number 8 piston. Make sure our arrow's facing the right way. Put a little bit of assembly lube. Get the skirts lined up where it falls into place. Little tap. Alright, and on this, because there's no studs, it's a bolt setup, you're going to have to kind of guide it in and watch your fingers. Alright, and that's locked in. Torque sequence on this is 15 foot-pounds and then additional 80 degrees, 85 degrees.
Out of curiosity, John, would it be better to just go ahead and set your nuts, just get them flush, than do it when it's turned around?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Okay.
I was just set the initial 15. 15 foot-pounds.
Do that 6 more times. Alrighty, so you've already did these once to 15, is that correct?
Yes, we've torqued the initial connecting rods to 15 foot-pounds. That way when I rotated the assembly, I didn't have to worry about it spinning or creating any issues. So they're pre-torqued to 15 foot-pounds. Now we're going to torque them per connecting rod at 85 additional degrees to set the torque. Those are all torqued to 85 foot-pounds. So that means the crank and connecting rods, pistons, the bottom rotating assembly is done.